어젯밤에 어디 있어서 내 생각하곤 있어. 너 어린아이 같아. 넌 아직까지 마음이 넌 나빠. I'm feeling lonely. Something about you make me feel insecure, baby. Something about you, girl. Stay here right by my side. Feel like I am falling deeper. 여기서 alone. Feel like falling deeper, deeper. Cause I love and rewind, oh. Love and you right, baby. Love and rewind, oh. Come on and tell me now. Love and rewind, baby. Love and you right, baby. Love and rewind. Tell me what's going on now. Man, I've been switching lanes all the time 오는 내 AKA I'm just on an edge hanging man. 좀 당연해 너가 느꼈을 그 맘이 난 처음이야. 이런 모든 감정들이 up and down, yeah. And at times in and out I can say but I wanna know the time to find to listen now. Tell you why I'm thinking we're just fine. Feel like I am falling deeper. 여기서 alone. I feel like falling deeper, deeper. Cause I love and rewind, oh. Love and you right, baby. Love and rewind, oh. Come on and tell me now. Love and rewind, baby. Love and you
tutorial and want more in-depth training, I invite you to join my YouTube membership. Inside you'll find full step-by-step lessons, detailed explanations of techniques, hair preparation, texture, volume and clean shapes. This membership is perfect for beginners and professional hairstylists who want to improve their skills and work with confidence. You can join using the link below. I'll be very happy to see you inside.